Hi, this is Kabeta Woman. Welcome to my series on Christmas, easy Christmas decor. So today is one of my favorite decors. We're going to do what I dub the Braai Angel. For those people who are not from the Southern African region, when we refer to braai, it's an Afrikaans word for barbecue. And so usually around Christmas time, because it's nice and sunny out, we generally have a braai for Christmas. So for this particular project, you need 2 pieces of braai wood. I have taken a branch and cut 2 discs down. Those we will use as heads. I've got 2 dowels, 2 screws, 2 pieces of wire for angel wings, and a plier to fix those, 1 drill bit, and this drill bit is going to connect the discs with the dowels into the braai wood. The first thing we will do is to drill a hole using our pilot hole drill bit, and don't do what I'm doing. This is very dangerous. I should essentially be clamping this wood piece down. I'm even going as far as to drill the disc as well. Okay, I'm moving on to the second one, right, and the second disc. Okay, so I'm changing drill bits now to a larger drill bit, and this drill bit is the size of the dowel, and at least I had the wisdom here to clamp it down and making the holes for the dowel to fit in. Okay, I'm taking it down just to test to see whether it's going in, and yes, it's a good fit. All right, going on to the second piece, putting it in my little clamp. Okay, drilling down a hole for the dowel to sit in. Okay, and there we have 2 little pieces down. Now I'm moving on to the branches that I've cut in those little discs, and I am tightening it in the clamp and drilling through. This is really a very easy project, and it will look very fabulous if you place it by your fireplace. Okay, moving on to my second one. Alright, so what I'm doing is attaching it. No glue is necessary because after, or during the Christmas celebrations, you're just gonna throw it back into the fire, and so we don't want to contaminate the fire with any glue in the situation. Alright, I'm moving on to the fire wings. I'm attaching it around the screw first, and then I took half of the wire, putting it around the screw, turning it around so I can get a little butterfly wing there, you can see, and I will do the same on the other side as well. Alright, you can use the pliers here just to tighten it a little bit, and then what you will do next is attach it to the back of the piece of wood. Alright, I'm still adjusting to make it look like wings. Alright, that's not so easy, and I found that it's better that once I have it on the actual piece of wood that it's easier to shape. Right, I'm just attaching my uh, little pilot hole there. Okay, good. Yeah. Going ahead and doing that as well for the other piece of braai wood. Oops, it just wants to topple over. Okay, and now we're gonna go and attach and screw on the actual wings. Alright, let's see how this looks like. Oh my goodness, there she goes. And hold tight to those wings because it might get all entangled. Alright, fabulous. And now you have nearly done with your Braai Angels. And here's your Braai Angels. When you are done with the celebrations on Christmas, unscrew the wires in the back, remove the wings and throw it into the fire, and you continue on with your braai. We hope you have a wonderful Christmas from the KW team. Many blessings. From Kubeta Woman, love and kisses always.